please.
We are talking food on the couch. We are talking food on the couch. So, some myths as a girl that I've asked you about in the last 10 weeks.
Okay.
Right, ready?
Yes.
First one. This is a carb.
Coconut water.
That's not, I'm not about that.
So, coconut water, it's kind of made a name for itself as being like a magical hydrating drink. Everyone's kind of jumped on the bandwagon that it's rich in potassium, as like people say. I think this one doesn't say it. A lot of them say that, oh, it's got as many bananas as like a tree. I think they equate to like 15 bananas or something like that. That's the way it markets. But also, people get a little bit carried away with this stuff because they think, oh, it's natural, it must be good for me kind of thing, right? So this, for instance, could probably be about 120 calories in here. It's about 500 ml. Yeah, and it's got the light cheap ones, which probably got a bit of added stuff in there. So essentially that could equate to what would be a carbohydrate portion in a meal.
Okay, so step away from the coconut water.
Step away from the coconut water if you want to
eat bread.
Yeah, exactly.
On the subject of carbs.
Yes.
This is a 0 fat.
0 calorie.
Noodle. I think I told you that.
Bare naked noodles, 12 calories per serving. So basically the way this works is cognac flour can't be digested, so it doesn't derive any energy, which is the way why there's no calories in it. You can't actually absorb it. It basically sits in the digestion system and it comes out looking exactly the same as the way it went in.
Next is pineapple carb. Is it?
Yes. So fruit is obviously quite rich in sugars, which are carbohydrate. Not that that's a bad thing as such, but they are a carbohydrate. And pineapple is probably one of the highest in carbohydrate of all of them. If you compare this to the same volume as such, something like watermelon or rockmelon, you could have a lot less calories for the same amount of volume.
We're not bashing carb.
We're not bashing carbohydrate at all. I mean, we have to learn how to portion them. So, for instance, this would probably be a carb portion. It would be quite a sufficient amount, yeah.
Maybe too much.
No, that would be alright.
Bread!
Right.
This is protein bread.
Protein
what does
bread.
that mean?
Okay, so what they've done is with protein bread, this one's probably used soy. Okay, so they use soy as the protein source. They use wheat protein, which is gluten, which everyone kind of runs away from. People don't actually understand that gluten is actually a protein. So when they create this bread, basically they increase the amount of gluten in there, they increase the amount of soy in there to kind of boost the protein content. When they use soy protein, it slightly reduces the amount of carbohydrate in there. So you could almost say, for instance, like the way in which we work things on Shimmering Sands Takes You Beyond Human is we work with like just portions. So you could almost say that like a slice or 2 slices of this would cover half a carbohydrate portion and half a protein source of it.
I'm all about that.
Yes.
Protein bars.
Osprey protein bar. This take 2 on the protein bars. This is an Osprey vegan protein bar, made very clear on the label that it's vegan, which is good because a lot of people tend to pick the label up and they're like, oh, it's vegan. Pretty clear.
So this has got carb and protein.
Yeah, so majority of the time with all protein bars there'll be some degree of carbohydrate in there. A lot of them do is they fill it with fibrous carbohydrate, so they use things like what's this one used? No, they wouldn't be able to use that. So they'll use things like xylitol and things like that to like increase the dietary fibre. Yeah, that's right. And then what they'll say will be like GI carbohydrate on it. Because obviously to get something to taste and get that texture there needs to be some degree of carbohydrate in there, so they need to use things like that. If you just had protein bar and mixed it up and let it solidify, it would taste like rubber. If, for instance, you're in a situation where you're traveling or you don't have any food with you or anything like that, this would be a good alternative to kind of like ensure that you're getting enough protein throughout the day, which most people don't.
Okay. I'm sorry, for those that don't know, Shimmering Sands, I am a vegan.
If you haven't already guessed.
So a lot of my juicy stuff is vegan. This is vegan cheese.
Vegan cheese.
I don't know if I understand, like, are replacement things good, or are they...
I like how they've called it fit food, therefore it must be good for you.
Yeah.
Natural fit food products, and they've used dairy-free and big bold letters again. Another great way to market something. Basically, this is just a fat source. Per 100 gram, about 23 grams of fat, carbohydrate 14, very minimal protein, even though they have included pea protein, and they've actually put a star next to it to kind of make out that it's what they're doing with their star. So this is just pretty much the same as you would use a normal cheese.
Okay, fat.
There's quite a decent amount of fat in there. So, but to be fair, they've said that a dairy-free alternative for cheese.
Okay, they're not lying.
Yeah, they're not lying. Use it as you would a fat sauce. Coconut oil isn't that bad of a fat sauce. It's not too bad.
So I can eat the vegan cheese. Is it better than normal cheese?
It's pretty much exactly the same on a nutrient basis.
Okay.
I mean, you could argue that, okay, it's made up of coconut oil, so therefore you've got more capability of using it for energy and all this sort of stuff. You really want to go into the nitty gritty of it, but on the big scale, it's not going to make a major difference.
Okay. So what have you learned from my fridge? These are all little tricks for you.
What have you learned? Okay, what have I learned? So, you start to prioritise protein.
But I can eat too many carbs.
Why?
Because it's still quite carby.
I mean, look, you're not eating too many carbs if you're fitting them within your portion.
Okay.
So for instance, let's say you were to eat 2 portions of carbohydrate a day, and we put them as like fish-sized portions, and that was one of them. That was half of one of them, and we didn't include this one.
Okay.
Chances are you'd probably be pretty good.
I'm laughing smirking out there. You just got to stop science. You're so, like, you're the brainiac. Normal people don't understand, do they?
SSxBH.
You can eat that. So as Michael said, you get a meal. It's not really a meal plan.
Meal guidance.
Yeah, meal guidance. So for example, when I first started the first SSxBH, I didn't trust these guys. When they said eat carbs, I didn't believe them. So then I didn't eat the carbs, and then I drove my car into a cab.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So you have to just trust the process.
When someone tells you what to do all the time, it's not going to be durable.
No.
Whereas,
learn it for ourselves.
Exactly. Learn it for yourself. Utilise people's information to help you. Like, everyone's got different questions on the way.
And the good thing is we have a WhatsApp group, so we can tap into this knowledge.
Yes.
Whenever we like, which is helpful. Where's the other dog?
Down here.
She got my slipper.
No.
This is actually not too bad, you know. Trust.
Trust. Trust the process.
Trust the
What's
process.
that? That's not a T.
It's a hashtag.
Oh, hashtag.
Trust the process.